sole with a clunk in the front end, and pretty sure it's a sway bar link, but I want you to hear it. Going over small bumps, you can hear it. I'll shut up so you can hear it. And one way to really figure it out, if it's a sway bar, you hear that knocking noise? It's a very slight knocking noise, and these are over small, tiny bumps. So if you really want to figure it out, that's all you have to do is rock the car back and forth, either when the car is stationary or while it's just rolling slowly down the road. I'll give you an example right here. Hear that knocking noise? So as you see in this little video here, I went underneath the car, checked it. You can hear the noise clunking. And then on this other little video, I grabbed where the joint is and I just pulled on it, and you can feel it right in the joint. So I was just pulling on the sway bar itself right at where it meets the link, and you could definitely feel the clunking from the joint on the link. Any questions or comments, guys, leave them in the box below. Be happy to answer for you. If you like my videos, please subscribe. And if this helped you at all, give me a like, give me a thumbs up, okay? Take care, guys. Have a good one.